welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a good week so far. It is actually Friday, so it was almost the weekend. I'm super excited. I am heading to Precision yet again. Today is the tune and downpipe, so let's get on our way.
Always making me work.
There's like a turbine in there. Race it. She's driving.
You act like I'm gonna do it.
Yes, you
Race
are,
it.
Natalie.
Race
We're
it.
peer pressuring you.
Yeah,
Look at him.
I know you are.
Look at him.
Last floor
Rip
before
it.
you get real power.
It's so slow right now.
It's just me in the backseat. That's why.
Are you ready for real power now?
I'm ready for real power. Bring it on.
In a quarter mile.
Is it right?
Eat.
What is that my G?
In a quarter mile, eat.
It's super fun.
Is it?
Yeah, no.
Is it gonna make me want to buy one?
Huh?
Most likely, yeah.
It sounds really good. And the downshifts are devious.
This car puts down 700.
You guys ready for this? I can't stop smiling. My thing with cars is like, if it's not loud, I don't enjoy it as much. And
Yeah.
I'm sure many people are like that. But the thing is, if I had this car, I would be flooring it everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
So, buy one?
If you buy one, you gotta get the gated 6-speed though.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Are you excited for it?
I am. It is time. This downpipe has literally been sitting in my house for like 3 weeks, and I'm finally getting it installed. I went with the catless. I'm ready for all the loud noises. And we're also doing the tune today, which is even more exciting. I'm ready for the anti-lag more than ever. Let's get this going. It's about to be installed, like right now. You ready?
Jump. And done.
Done. Quickest downpipe install ever.
That's where you tune it right here. You go flip this up. Yep. Yeah, you just turn that one.
You little beep boop boop beep boop.
Every turn is 10 horsepower. Okay? I think that's it.
Our tech did that. Our tech did that. My dog did that.
It wasn't me, it was the dog. Alright guys, so a little interesting going on. The DME is locked. Unfortunately, on my model, I was unlucky. And so someone from Auto Talent is going to come and pick it up. They're gonna unlock it, and then they're going to Uber it back to us. So stay tuned. It's gonna probably be like a half an hour process with getting the DME off. That's fine, because we're just gonna sit here. We're gonna eat our food, because I ordered some food I'm really excited for. So stay tuned.
So what are you gonna do on the tune?
Obviously, also have comfort. We're gonna leave comfort normal. M1, it's gonna have pretty much full power. We're just gonna take the verbals off so that I can't get in trouble necessarily and pulled over if I'm being too loud. But I'll still be able to have the power and the fun. And then M2, we're going to just full blast it. Everything. Loud. Obnoxious. Fast.
So M2 will have verbals. And what else? Most important part.
Kennedy has the charge pipe, an intake, and I want to see what it looks like, because that's what we're doing next.
This is the turbo.
Isn't that where you put the blinker fluid?
Yeah.
Blinker fluid?
And then
We're going to be doing the intake and charge pipes ourselves, and he's kind of giving us a little rundown of the charge pipes. Well, I didn't expect all that. DME is out, it is on its way, and we should be back to put it together soon. It is almost 6 o'clock, and It's almost here. The Uber's like 5 minutes away. And then we'll get this thing back in the car, get it tuned, and then we will be on our way. But yeah, I'm excited to get this done and head home.
Driving the Lamborghini. Yeah, get in that. Yeah. If you get in it, I'll kiss Mason on the mouth. Please.
Yeah.
Stop. Now at this point.
Well, you already know. Any mustarbs.
Gotta hype yourself up.
That was really gross.
Let's go. We are 50% of the way there, guys. At least we didn't get a failed. I knew it was gonna be loud, but this is loud. What? I cannot wait to rip it. I don't know if I'm ready for it. Oh, no. It's perfect. More. We need more.
So pretty much anti-lag. You're gonna use the cruise control button right here.
So you press the cruise control button?
Yeah, you're gonna push up once. You're gonna feel it click. Because usually if you hold it up right away, it's 2 clicks. So if you hold it up once and you slam on the gas, it'll lock the boost into...
This is while you're like from a roll, right?
Yeah.
Hold that button up 1 click, and then you're gonna mash the gas.
First time doing anti-lag, and this cop flies past me over his little freaking speaker. I couldn't hear what he said. Oh, that's so funny.
Pretty scared for I'm like holding the back of her seat.
It's like a kid in a candy store. Holy
Oh, you're like Sid from Toy Story.
Oh my god, this is just absurd.